Hello crypto experts and enthusiasts, and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be giving you an explainer video on one of the rising meme coins in the market today, Shiba Inu. In this short video, we're going to give you a brief background and history on the Shiba Inu tokens, the prices you can get for it today, and how you can exchange and manage this token on Atomic Wallet. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to get updated with all our latest videos on crypto news and Atomic Wallet guides. Are you ready? Let's get started. Shiba Inu was founded by the anonymous user Ryoshi back in August 2020. Listed as SHIB on exchanges, and it basically sold for nothing. It's a meme coin that was spread as a joke, theoretically increasing its value by expanding adoption of users and developers, sharing similarities to Dogecoin, even bearing the same Shiba Inu mascot as Dogecoin. Aside from making payments, there's no other function that Shiba Inu can offer. But the developers do have big plans for this meme coin, as they plan to build an entire ecosystem around this trendy token. Via their website, they have stated that SHIB is an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community building. Nicknamed the Dogecoin Killer, this ERC20 only token can remain well under a penny and still outpace Dogecoin in a small amount of time. As stated, Shiba was built on the Ethereum blockchain, with a key difference being that Dogecoin is a hard fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. It was based on the BTC blockchain, but still holds its differences, hence not being compatible with smart contracts. Shiba Inu token is a transferable token, nothing more, nothing less. Shiba developers plan to release ShibaSwap as the foundation for this new token. ShibaSwap will be the decentralized exchange for Shiba token, $4 SHIB, to be listed and incentivized. They even have plans for ShibaSwap staking pools, as they have released Shiba Inu and Leash. Eventually, a third token, called Bone, will act as a governance token, allowing the holders to vote on proposals to alter the platform and even add some new staking pools. After creating the currency, Ryoshi claimed to have given 50% of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum co-founder. This gave Buterin the ability to tank its value and grab a hold of the market in the event that he sells his holdings. Instead, Buterin decided to send 50.693 trillion Shiba, as well as 500 Ethereum to the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund to help support the COVID-19 outbreak in India. Shiba Inu builds from the popularity of Dogecoin, a simple internet meme that gave birth to the cryptocurrency and became one of the hottest crypto tokens on the market. Naturally, crypto experts were looking for the next big hit on the market. Similar to Dogecoin, one that's value can be increased by the endorsement of an influencer or other significant member of society. Hence, Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO and one of Dogecoin's biggest supporters. It was due to Musk's Twitter activity that the meme coin that is Dogecoin entered a huge splurge. In a market as volatile as crypto, mere tweets from Elon Musk can dictate the direction of the token as well as the overall stability of the market. When Elon Musk made an appearance hosting Saturday Night Live, the price of Shiba Inu rose more than 260%, from 5.2461 to 18.83 hundred-thousandths of a cent, even before the show started. And why? Because people were expecting a Doge shoutout.
We're actually live right now, which means I could say something truly shocking.
And I'm excited for my Mother's Day gift. I just hope it's not Dogecoin.
It is. It sure is. Did you think I was also going to be a chill, normal dude?
Shiba wasn't even mentioned on the show, but due to association and the crazy trends of the market, it benefited. Over the next 2 days from May 8 to 10, Shiba reached an all-time high of 38.8 hundred-thousandths of a cent. But as quickly as it rose, so did it fall. With Buterin's donation, it sunk to 7.261 hundred-thousandths of a cent on May 21st, and has been hovering flat ever since. As we know, the price of crypto is almost never stable and tends to change as time passes. On Atomic Wallet, all Ethereum-based currency is supported for exchange. You'll have to pay a network fee in ETH to send or exchange your tokens each time you want to do so. These fees are called GAS and calculated in GWEI. When making a transaction, the ETH charged as a network fee will be converted to GAS automatically. Take note that you'll need to hold Ethereum to cover the network fees. If you have none, you can purchase in the app. In order to exchange, navigate through the sidebar and click Exchange. Choose the pair to exchange, then enter the amount. You can also opt to send all. You will see the available balance under the amount field. Take note that the available balance is your balance excluding the network fee. Next, you'll see the current exchange rate for that day when you enter the amount to exchange, and you'll be presented with the estimated amount. Make sure to double-check everything before proceeding. Once ready, click Exchange. After 20 minutes, more or less, the process should be finished. In order to send your token, you simply choose your token in the Wallet tab, then enter the amount you want to send, and just paste the receiving address. Enter the password you used to log into your wallet, and you should be home free. Drop a comment below letting us know what you think about Shiba Inu. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to get all the latest crypto news and guides on using Atomic Wallet. Thanks for watching.